Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's up YouTube, Flagstaff Abe getting another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we're going to be reviewing the new Gemini jets Mesa Airlines CRJ-900 in the house livery. So let's get into it. Super stoked to have this model because it used to come to Flagstaff, and it's obviously always at Phoenix and also Dallas, Fort Worth. So, and it's also a pretty cool livery, even though it's just a house plain white livery. So yeah, let's check it out. Ordered this from Panda Fox. They've been pretty great recently, so shout out to them. Another coupon with the receipt. As you can see, it's nicely packaged. And there is the model. I'm pretty sure this is the first house Mesa Airlines 1-400 model ever made. So as you can see, there's the box, pretty tiny. It's just your standard Gemini Jets box. We got the Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors, computer generated image of the model. Should say Mitsubishi CRJ-900. We have the Mesa Airlines logo right there. You guys can pause to read the facts right there if you'd like. And here are the side views. Just your standard Gemini Jets box, nothing too special. And yeah, let's get into the model. Looks like nothing is broken. And I'm pretty sure they finally added aerials to the CRJ, so those antennas look great. Let's just get this closed. But I'm not too sure if those antennas are to scale. Oh, you guys can't even see the model. Let's get this lowered. I'm not sure. Comment down below if you guys think those antennas are proportional to the real life plane. Or, I mean, to scale. While I put the box away, I'll put the flight trader facts right here for you guys. Alright, so to start off the review, as you guys can see, let's get this a little bit at a better angle. You guys can see the nose cone detail right there, the cockpit windows, windshield wipers. I'm not too sure what that says, but it probably says Mesa Airlines. Landing gear, L1 door, and there are the antennas. I'm pretty sure those are probably not to scale, but overall it's probably good that the mold finally has antennas. Then we have two luggage doors right there, double overwing exit doors, and the registration back there with the American flag, which is November 942 Lima Romeo. And as you can see, we have the Mesa Airlines tail, pretty cool. And we also got another cargo luggage door right there. So yeah, that's the left side of the aircraft. And we also have the red navigation light right there. Here's the back view. You guys can see the APU detail right there. And the engines kind of block the overwing exit patterns, but they're there. They look pretty cool. Right side of the aircraft, as you can see, is pretty much the same, other than we have a green navigation light right there. And I'm pretty sure the landing gear kind of do roll. And here is a front view. Bird's eye view. And let's get a bottom view. Stand hole, Gemini Jets logo, and all that good stuff. So yeah, overall it's a super great model. Pretty glad that Gemini finally added aerials to the regional aircraft. But, and the landing gear look pretty straight to me compared to other regional models that I have, so which is pretty cool. So yeah, super stoked to have this model. Hope you guys can pick it up because there aren't that many regionals, and thank you guys for watching.